Hello, my beautiful BTC Vision community. Welcome back to your favorite financial hub. I am so incredibly thrilled to see all of your amazing faces here today. To our incredibly loyal subscribers who chat with us every single day on our 24/7 live chart stream, and to all the new family members joining us today, thank you for your incredible, non-stop support. You are the absolute heartbeat of BTC Vision. Now, let us talk business. Do you want to invest in both traditional stocks and digital cryptocurrencies, but you are completely sick and tired of managing 10 different apps? Remembering a dozen passwords and losing money in endless deposit fees? Having everything in one single secure place is the ultimate financial superpower. But which platform actually deserves your hard-earned money? Today, we are putting the four massive giants head-to-head to find your perfect match. Let us dive straight in. First up, let us look at the two most popular, beginner-friendly ecosystems on the planet. Let us start with eToro. This is the absolute global king of social trading. It offers a massive catalog of fractional stocks with zero commission and beautiful charting powered by TradingView technology. If you do not know what to buy, their copy trader feature lets you copy the exact moves of top-performing investors automatically. The downside? Their crypto purchases come with a flat 1% fee, and they charge a fixed $5 withdrawal fee, which can add up quickly if you move money in and out. Next, we have Revolut. Originally just a digital banking app, it has evolved into a complete 360-degree financial hub. Buying stocks or Bitcoin on Revolut takes literally one tap from your main balance. It is unmatched for pure convenience. However, here at BTC Vision, we look at the fine print. The trading fees for free accounts are higher than average, and you cannot withdraw all your crypto assets to external private hardware wallets. It is beautiful for convenience, but limited for true ownership. Now, if your main goal is maximum cost efficiency and building long-term generational wealth, the battle moves over to Germany with the neo-broker giants. First in this category is Trade Republic, one of the most rock-solid, fully regulated banking brokers in Europe. It lets you set up completely automated recurring savings plans, also known as dollar-cost averaging plans for ETFs, stocks, and major crypto assets at zero commission. Plus, they pay you high interest on your uninvested cash balance, which is calculated daily. It is a flawless tool for the 100,000 euro blueprint we discussed in our recent episodes here on BTC Vision. Right across the ring is Scalable Capital, the direct rival. They offer a fantastic flat-rate monthly subscription model like Netflix, called the Prime Broker account. This allows you to execute unlimited stock and ETF trades for free. Their dedicated crypto section uses highly efficient, physically backed structured products, meaning you do not have to worry about setting up complex crypto keys. The interface is a bit more technical than Trade Republic, but the deep analytical tools and dividend tracking features are absolutely world-class. So here is your final BTC Vision verdict. Choose eToro for copy trading and community insights. Choose Revolut for sheer daily banking convenience. Choose Trade Republic for automated low-cost cash accumulation. And choose Scalable Capital if you love heavy volume trading with zero friction. Which one of these platforms are you currently backing to secure your future? Drop your setup in the comments below. Do not forget to smash that like button, subscribe to BTC Vision, and join our beautiful family in the live chat right now. I love you guys, stay sharp, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video.